Welcome to Roy Tech video tutorial. Today we are going to talk about setting PG and PC communication. So the first thing that we are going to do is open our project. And if you remember in the last video, I told you that we were going to emulate the program that we did in the last time, remember? So if I go back in here to the OB1, this is the project that we did before. And if you want to emulate this program, you need to do the following steps. So right now, I am just going to close this window and then I am going to go to the button that says options. So in here, we need to select this option that says set PG PC interface. So basically in here, we're going to establish the communication between our program and our PC. So I am going to make clicking here. And as you can see right now in your screen, this is going to be the set program PC interface. So the most important thing in here is just select the interface parameter that we are going to use in our program. In this case, we are going to use the PLC simulator. So in this case, I need to find it. So as you can see, it's supposed to be okay. So this is the one. No, sorry, this is the one that we are going to use, Profibus. Because remember that in the video of the hardware configuration, I told you that we were going to work with Profibus. In any case that you cannot select this option that we have in here, also you can add or remove some kind of interface just pressing the button in here that says select. In the left side of your screen, you can select all the modules that step 7 it is going to have. For example, in this case, you are going to see the industrial Ethernet access via TCP IP, or also you can select the serial cable, that is the PPI access via serial interface. Also, you can select the step 7 communication protocol via USB and other kind of modules that we are going to have in here. And in the right side of your screen, you are going to see all the modules that we have installed in step 7. So as you can see in here, I have already the PLC simulator. And in here, basically, the only thing that I need to do is press the button that says OK. And as you can see in your computer right now, step 7, it is going to give you a warning about if you want to change the interface parameter in your project. So in this case, I am going to select OK. And after setting the communication between the program and your PC, the only thing that you need to do is select this button in here that says simulation on off. And basically, you're going to see in this part the PLC simulator that we are going to work with Profibus. So also you can change it to be TCP IP, local, MPI, and so on. But in this case, we're going to leave it as it's supposed to be. We're going to work with Profibus. And in the right side of your screen, you are going to have some kind of buttons. So in here, we can insert some inputs, outputs, memories, timers, counters, and so on. So if I go back again to my program, remember that we are going to use basically inputs and outputs, right? So I am going to go back again to the simulator, and then I am going to select the input 0, the input again, but in this case I am going to change it to be the input 1, and then I need to select the output 0. So everything right now looks perfect. So I am going to go back again to my program, and basically I am going to download this program to the simulator. So I am going to make clicking here, download, and then I can go back again to the simulator and start running our PLC. So in here, basically, the only thing that you are going to see are the inputs or the outputs going on or off. But again, if I go back again to the PLC and then I select monitor on off, you are going to see right now how the PLC is in run mode as you can see in this part of your screen right now. And also you are going to see how all these inputs has been changed to be in a color green. So again, I can go back again to the PLC simulator. I am just going to close this window a little bit. And look how this PLC, it is going to go to stop mode. Do you see? So now again, if I press the button that says run program, and I select the input 1.0 because this is the input, right? Input 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and so on. Same thing with the output. So if I want to toggle on this bit, the coil Q0.0, I just need to press the button 1.0 in here, and you are going to see how this coil it's already on, as you can see right now. So what will happen if I select the input 0.1? Well, if I select this input in here, you are going to see how this coil will be off. And if I uncheck this square in here, this button in here will be available again right now. So also what we can do in here basically is just open the program and then go to tools, option, and in here we're going to attach our symbols. So if you remember in the last video we worked with the symbol table, remember? So in this case I just need to enter the point. So basically the project, the name of the project, it is going to be Roytech, remember? So now I need to go to the program, symbols, okay. And now if I go to the input 1.0, I am going to have the name on, same thing as we have it in here, remember? Output 0.0 coil, input 0.1 off, input 1.0 on, same thing that we have in here. Coil on and off. Anyway, this is it for the moment. Thank you for watching Roytech video tutorial. See you on the next video.